Alright, here we are with this 2008 R6R motor. Just a couple of things before I get it started. It's probably 30 to 40 degrees right now. So I just wanted to show that this thing starts up even when it's cold. And I have my makeshift ignition switch. There it is. As you can see, if it wasn't to throw any codes, it would have a check engine light, and it would show the code right there, obviously. But as you can see, no codes. The light that's blinking right there is just a fuel light, because I don't have the stock tank, so the fuel sender isn't hooked up, obviously. So that's that light blinking and just telling me that there's low fuel. And that light that is lit up is just the neutral light. Anyway. Starts right up. When it's cold, as you can see, a low temperature. I think it's below 100, I think. Has a good, fast, cold idle. If you guys want to just skip ahead probably 5 minutes, probably like the 7-minute mark or so, is when this thing will be warmed up and I'll start giving it some gas, but I'm going to let it warm up first and explain a few things. You can see there's the multimeter hooked up to the battery to show that the charging system is working. Charging it set up for the 14 volts. And it'll slowly climb as it runs. This ignition switch I have, to bypass the keyed ignition switch, all you have to do is connect those two wires coming out of that connector, and then just a simple on-off switch for that connector. That's all that is. See, I don't have the exhaust tip. The exit valve, obviously, but this engine will come with the headers all the way up to that point. This engine will not come with the coolant hoses that I have hooked up. I just kind of pieced those together, but it's not too hard to piece together the cooling system. This won't come with the battery, obviously, or this fuel tank, but it's not that hard to piece together a fuel delivery system either, as long as it's at, I think, 43 PSI it requires. And then you have to have 2 fuel hoses, one going to the secondary injectors right here, and then the other one going to the primary injectors right there. And then to bypass the exit motor that's usually hooked in right there, I just have a simple capacitor and resistor, and I'll include that with the bike or with the engine. But using that, this little deal, it won't throw a code because it still thinks that the motor is still there. But other than those couple of things, the wiring harness is complete. And besides a battery, fuel delivery, and just setting up the coolant system, the coolant hoses, I should say, everything else is complete, and it's ready to run once you get it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a K&N air filter. see it's been a couple minutes warming up. Still gonna get a couple more minutes to warm up, and then I'll start getting this throttle and shifting through the gears. So when I did it too soon, because it is pretty cold out here. As you can see, I have this engine set up. It's using cargo straps and a car engine hoist. And I have like a little shelf set up for all the ECU and the battery and everything. It's kind of ghetto, but it definitely works, as you can see. That way it's not just resting on the exhaust. And actually with the exhaust, I got it off an eBay seller, and I don't think it actually affects it that much, but where those arrows are, you can see some dents. They aren't too bad. One little one that side, and then a bigger one on this side. Angle right. Not too bad. I don't think it affects the flow too much. And I have some paper towels down here, just so you can see that it's not leaking anything. Charging system still working. Now that it's starting to warm up, start giving it some gas. Turn on my fan here so I get some airflow. Yeah. Set up my camera. Set up my camera, try to get it right, shift through some gears. about it. You see that the fans came on. It's just sitting here, not getting enough airflow from my little fan. See the battery voltage drop back down. Still no leaks. Try to think of anything else that I can explain or make clear. Start it back up. Actually, I'll wait until the fan shut off. I'll be here in a minute. Yeah, there we go. Start it back up. Starts right up even when it's hot. Just to show you guys real quick, it does shift through the gears and everything. Try to set this up so you see everything. First. Second. Third. Sixth. Back down to neutral. my little fan still doesn't give enough airflow, even though I moved it closer. But that's pretty much it. Battery voltage right now, it's because the fans are on, sucking a lot, but you can see that the charging system is still working right. Anyway, I think that's about it. There you go. If you guys have any questions, and thanks for watching this long-ass video.